May nantrip kay Ronnie Alonte, nakakainitan ng player ng Manila bilang gante, tinirahan ng tres sa muka, may look away pass pa, pinangitlog ng binyan ng Manila. May tumesting naman sa depensa ni Pinoy Sakuragi, sinubukang pagsayawin si Pingris pero palpalang inabot. Mainit ang kamay ni Alonte, ayaw magminte sa tres at debut game ngayon ni Warren Bonifacio sa binyan, best player of the game agad. Shoutout sa mga nag-react, comment and share ng ating video. Panoorin natin ang highlights ng laban. I-like and share mo lang ang ating video and mag-subscribe sa ating YouTube.
Para sa Binyan, pretty interesting kung paano siya mag-fit in and how quickly he gels inside.
Great Coach Mike.
Yeah. And then Coach Max, I feel, was really trying to do his best to get the
Tini lang tampiasan yung kalamangan doon and eventually took over in the second half. Meanwhile, Kenny
couple of attempts from three and they still couldn't find the basket.
Orva gets his own miss. Bonifacio there for the
of a well-structured system. Now, in a team that's pushing hard for a playoff spot, he's more than ready to carve his role, bring grit to the paint.
You gotta get a stop here if you're Manila. You just can't allow Binyan to consistently be fine.
Batalier laban kay Mark Pingris. Umihit. Nasupalpal ni Pinoy.
Production on the scoring.
Red Eusebio finally get JJ Pido.
Yes. Ronnie's on the floor as well.
Batalier lines it up from
You did real good earlier, so why not go back to that?
Timpayan with flip.
At saka yung mga big string kasi ng Binyan, very mobile na that can actually run the floor and stretch.
Gives them a lot of spunk inside. Steven Torralba,
Alam ko magkakampi sila in that tournament that we played on, and Ronnie pretty much has that nabanggit mo na swag, and he also has that click. He says a lot of the players. Ooh, nice pass by Ronnie as well as Alexis.
Mark Cardona again with the floater.
That he finally got his LeBron. It was some sort of what a move. Steal with almost 7 and 3 respectively in those stat lines. You see another good finish by si John Paul. Unlike dito, nagme-mesh yung combo ni Achi at saka si Alexis.
Bam Lopez lays it up.
Strong.
Suwal with daylight.
Really take a shot from 3 na pag nag-release, feeling mo, pasok kahit na hindi pumasok si another pick. Ryan Suwal. He's gotta be in that conversation too.
Cardona sasalaksak. Second quarter.
There you go.
Deleanyo na iwas yung 12 points, 8 rebounds, 2 assists, 2 steals, 2 blocks. Going mo
The weak side of the floor. So from there, actually, on the elbows, we see another good finish by Kenny.
Pingris. Bonifacio pupukol na naman.
Favorite spot. Favorite spot.
Warren Bonifacio. Bam Lopez, quick trigger. Yes. Down low to Mark Pingris. Alonte sasaksak sa
Oh,
baseline.
wow.
Third assist from Ronnie Alonte.
Ibang klase si Ronnie Alonte. Mga vision, ha? Well, the second time he's versus starters. Yun yung plus minus. It's almost an average of plus 28 on each of the starters.
Batangas City, if you remember. I think you covered that game.
Yes, that's right.
Kaya pumasok.
Nila against a young and fast Manila squad dahil siguradong mapapalaban ang mga veterans ng Binyan. Challenge to for us, kaya dapat ready ka.
A win here by the Binyan Katakjel will tie them up. Two-time defending champions, the Pampanga Giant Lanterns. Seeking a road win.
Rafi Verano and Alvin Pasaol is going to be available. Free right there again for
Donte, his first miss from downtown. Outlet, Achi Inigo lays it up and in.
of Binyan. There really was not so much momentum on the side. Oh, wow.
Great getaway move from Ronnie Alonte.
Right now, sabi na ng ating top 10, he's gonna contribute a lot. Ito si Achi.
No question naman yan.
Oo.
Suwal from the left corner dito sa quarter itong Manila. Ronnie Alonte, 16 points.
7 record. They are right now tied for
The slam dunk champion throwing it down.